Have you been to gladiatorstuff.com yet? If you haven't, you should check it out. This is the place you can get all your Gilroy Gladiator and the original Gilroy Vlogs t-shirt. We decided, since we came back from vacation, that we wanted to take a couple of days off of vlogging. We took a week off, so I have a lot of stuff to catch up on. I have some how-to videos to film. I have taxes to get done. I have a computer to repair that we'll do a video on that also. And I just wanted to kind of regroup and reset my mind. This summer is going to be really busy and a lot of cool stuff is going to be happening for me, which is incredibly awesome and I can't wait to share with you guys. But I didn't want to leave you hanging for a couple days without a vlog. So if you recall, while we were in the Outer Banks, I shot a bunch of footage of the beach and a bunch of other places around the Outer Banks that I wanted to share with you guys. So I put together a really cool nature video that I want to share with you guys right now. Well, what'd you think? Was it cool? I thought it was cool. I'll get better and better at those types of videos the more I shoot them. And I really didn't have much footage to use because it was only one nice day really to film. So yeah, here I go making excuses. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. It was fun to make and I can't wait to do more like that. We're going to take a lot of time this summer to go around to a bunch of nature areas close to us and do the same sort of thing so we can show you guys what's out there. I have a lot of work to get done. I really hate to do this to you and give you a short vlog, but it is what it is. Make sure you go check out gladiatorstuff.com because I want you guys to have the coolest t-shirts on the internet. And yes, they are the coolest. I suppose that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to see you right back here in 2 tomorrows.